All right, so this one, same thing. Whoops, same thing as before. And some technical difficulty there. I need to distribute this 2 through the parentheses, right? So everything else stays the same. Negative 35 minus 7b is greater than or equal to 5. And now positive 2 times 8 is a positive 16. 2 times negative 7b is negative 14b. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to look to see if I can combine any like terms on either side of the inequality. I can. 5 plus 16 is a positive 21. Everything else kind of stays the same. So we got negative 35 minus 7b greater than or equal to 21 minus 14b. All right, I'm going to subtract 21 from both sides. These cancel. This becomes 56. Negative 56 minus 7b is greater than or equal to negative 14b. Now I'm going to add 7b to both sides because I want to move the 7b to the other side. Actually, you know what? Let's, no, we'll do it this way. Add 7b, add 7b. You may have done it differently, and that's okay. You'll end up with the same answer. Maybe you added 14b. That would have worked too. So when I add 7b to both sides, those cancel, and I get negative 56 is greater than or equal to negative 7b. To get the negative 7 away, I'm going to divide by negative 7. Remember that when you divide by a negative, you flip the inequality. This becomes a positive 8. So then the alligator is eating the v, so v is greater than or equal to 8. How many of you guys got that? Good, good. So because of the equal sign, if you didn't get it, probably the flipping of the inequality when you multiply by a negative or a simple math error. All right, that's why we double check this. All right, so now I'm going to plug this in and full circle at 8 because of the equal sign, and then you can pick a number. What number is greater than 8? 9, 10, 11, well, all these numbers to the right, right? Did you guys get the graph right? Raise your hand if you got the graph right. Okay. Let's do the next one. Again, I'm going to distribute this negative 7 through the parentheses. So 4 stays the same. Negative 7 times x is negative 7x. Negative 7 times 5 is a negative 35. Is greater than or equal to negative 3x. Okay. Minus 15. Again, looks like we're going to have to combine some like terms. So we get negative 7x. Negative 35 plus 4 is negative 31, right? Okay. Greater than or equal to negative 3x minus 15. So I'm going to get the x's to the other side. I like to pick the lowest of the x's. Negative 7x is actually lower than negative 3x because it's further over here on the number line. So I'm going to add 7x to both sides. These cancel, and I get negative 31 is greater than or equal to positive 4x, right? Because 7 minus 3 is 4. Now I'm going to add 15 to both sides. Bless you. So negative 31 plus 15, isn't that negative 16 if you plug it in a calculator? Divide both sides by 4. And I get negative 4 is less or greater than or equal to x. If I flip that around, I say x is something negative 4. The alligator appears to be eating the negative 4. So that would be the less than symbol, right? So at -4, I'm going to close the circle, and I'm going to highlight everything to the left, anything less than. Okay? Any questions on that one?